How to use window tiling on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Starting in macOS Sequoia, you can usually organize the windows on your desktop into side-by-side tiles or tile them into the corners of your screen to keep even more apps in view. To do that on your desktop, drag a window to the edge or the corner of your screen. Now release the window when the highlighted area appears to tile it into place. And now to use the menu bar to arrange your windows into tiles, you can tap on the window option to select it and then click on the window menu and choose Move and Replace. You'll also see the option to remove and resize. You can tap on that too. Now you can select an option from the list to move the window to that location on your screen. For example, I will choose the left option. You can also arrange your windows with the green button in the top left corner of the window. Just hold the pointer over the green button until a menu appears and select how you would like your windows arranged. For example, I will choose quarters to tile a window in each corner of the screen. So, this is how you can use window tiling on Mac to easily organize your desktop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.